Grow Room Tour, the Lost Episodes Edition. Welcome to Hydro Haven. This is Mother's Day 2021. Happy Mother's Day to whom it all applies. Take you a quick walk through the grow room, and I want to show you a couple of things that I was going to make videos for, but I have decided not to. Figure I can at least use it for some sort of content. Down below we have our basil, still going strong. We had some pesto crock-pot chicken for dinner with noodles. That was fantastic. It is time to get ready for the outdoor garden. So we got some cucumbers and an eggplant right there. This is an experiment that I was doing using some, let's see if we can get that in there, some great white. House Dad Life did an experiment, had really good results with it, so I got a packet. He gave me a link to get this trial packet for $2. I appreciate it. Thanks, House Dad Life. And I made 2 of these with the Great White and 2 without, and it's supposed to give, as the packaging says, killer roots for killer plants. They all look pretty much the same to me, so it is pretty expensive. I mean, the roots look great on the ones without and the ones with, but it's just not really floating my boat. I don't see a big return on investment. I am about keeping costs down, so really not doing it for me. So try it if you want. Maybe Cracky is not the best solution for this product, although it does list it as for hydroponics. Moving along, we have my King Star Lemon Starburst. This has been going, I planted this February 13th, and it's compact as all get out. It looks like it's starting to want to create some flowers. Roots are still looking good. I'm hoping it produces some, because they look like they'd be great peppers. King Star did a taste test of them, so you can go check out his channel. Look for KSLS or Lemon Starburst, and you'll be able to see those there. I'm going to wheel you around here. Got some flowers that aren't quite ready to go outside yet. Our starters, nothing terribly exciting there. One thing that we do is start our tomato plants indoors hydroponically, and then take cuttings from the tomato plants and use those to get started in dirt, and that way only necessarily need to plant one of each type of tomato plant. So we have 3 different varieties there, started at 3 different times. What we originally did was we had the one on the left, and we planted it, brought it outside, let it grow, and then took a cutting, brought it inside, overwintered it inside hydroponically, and then repeated the process over and over again until we had a frost that killed the plant. But I was able to rescue the seeds. So thanks, M.I. Gardner, for teaching me how to save tomato seeds. That was wonderful. On the right, we have a serrano pepper. The serrano pepper has been growing for months and months and months, produced some flowers. It has not produced any fruit. I haven't really given that much attention to it. I have cut it back a lot, and it just isn't doing anything. Maybe I'll risk it and try to plant it outdoors. Got some cabbages going. Got some CalMag. Let's see if I can get this on camera. Some CalMag. So one of the issues I was having with my cabbages is the heads weren't forming, and from the reading that I'd done on my deep internet research is that it seems that nitrogen, high nitrogen levels, prevents the heads from forming, or forming large heads. So I scaled back my calcium nitrate in my solution. So I raised the TDS, and the heads just weren't forming. Then I scaled back the calcium nitrate like I do for my lettuce, and it started to help a bit. But as you can see there on the one on the right, I started getting calcium deficiencies. So calcium deficiencies in cabbage is not like a calcium deficiency in lettuce. With the cabbage, it's probably that it just doesn't have enough calcium, where with the lettuce, you could be having a nutrient lockout from just too high of a nutrient level. Anywho, all that said, I'm going to try to make up a new nutrient solution, one with CalMag, calcium and magnesium supplement, and reduce my nitrogen level even more, and see if I can get the head sizes to grow bigger. Whew. So got a couple more cabbages growing there. The problem with growing cabbages and trying to come up with a good process and a good solution is it's 3 months, and you really don't know what you got until at least a month and a half to 2 months into it. And then, it's just a really big time hog, and it's kind of frustrating. So that's why I haven't done an how to grow cabbage episode yet, because I just don't have a great solution that I think could be repeatable for everyone. So this is some lettuce that I got from San Diego Seed Company. This is the Great Lakes lettuce that she sent me. It doesn't really grow really big full heads, but the leaves are amazing. They're really thick, got a really good crunch, a lot of flavor to it. Probably a little bit more flavor in a lettuce than I really like, but I'm going to keep on growing it. I'm pretty happy with it. I guess I should say I'll put it into my mix. So I usually grow my romaine, and then I grow my red sales lettuce. Up there we got some more garden starters, and then my kale, arugula, and sage station. There's some lettuce getting started up here. And this is the other episode that I was not getting around to. Let me lower this light down really quick. So the 2 plants in the back are from seeds that I got from Kingstar as well. I won them in a little contest, or not a contest, but a giveaway that he was doing. The one on the right is a peach, or a sugar peach. Why don't I have this written down anywhere? Sugar Rush, peach sugar rush. So got some fruits forming here. That's really cool. Apparently they take forever to ripen, so we'll see how that goes. The one on the left is the Ahi Omnicolor, and I have not seen any fruit forming yet. Lots of flowers. Been cutting these back something fierce, but hopefully soon. These have both been growing since mid-January, so over about 4 months now. It's just getting a little bit brutal. So that was going to be an episode. I've been doing video clips of it, and I think I'm just going to, let that one go by the wayside. And then I got my green onions there, trying different varieties for it. So that's the grow room tour. So you won't see a pepper video from me from Kingstar's giveaway seeds to me, and you will not see one on the Great White for the cabbage experiment. But that is the grow room tour. That's what I got going on. Hey, by the way, I am up at 201 subscribers right now. Thank you so much. You are all fantastic. I appreciate the views. I really appreciate the comments. It's good to hear new people getting into growing. That's fantastic. Grow more food. Have a great day, everyone. I'll catch you next time.